Hey Kickstarter, we're Bitbanger Labs. This is Pixel Stick. This is what it does. Here's what you can do with it. Light painting as a medium has intrigued and inspired for over 100 years. The technique, capturing moving light sources in long exposure photographs, is difficult to master but can yield compelling results. Typically, artists were limited to manipulating a single light source to draw simple words or shapes. Pixel Stick redefines light painting completely, putting an array of new abilities within reach. Pixel Stick works with images prepped in Photoshop or similar software. The camera is set to take a long exposure, and you move through the frame as Pixel Stick displays the image one vertical line at a time. You're not limited to traveling in straight lines. Pixel Stick rewards creativity. From photoreal to abstract, the possibilities are nearly endless. The Smart Sequence function even allows you to increment through a series of images over multiple exposures to create stunning animations. Pixel Stick is 198 full-color LEDs, secured inside a lightweight aluminum housing and covered by a diffusion lens. The controller allows you to adjust settings and choose images from an SD card. 8 AA batteries power Pixel Stick over multiple nights of shooting. The perpendicular handle has a secondary sleeve, allowing Pixel Stick to spin freely. We have a fully functional prototype, a design that we've refined over months of shooting, and multiple manufacturers lined up. The only missing element is your support. Check below for more information on the project and the various reward levels. We're excited to see what Pixel Stick can do in your hands.
So if you want me, come and find me in the nightfall. I close my eyes, I go to sleep, because I fall 10,000 feet for you and me.
This is AirBlock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. AirBlock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces, and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth and take to the sky in no time. AirBlock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids, and big kids, about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. AirBlock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? AirBlock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With AirBlock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. AirBlock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes AirBlock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get AirBlock off the ground, so back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? We'll make it easy for you. Back our Kickstarter campaign. And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have AirBlock. Support the cause and get your own. AirBlock. Code to fly.
Hi, I'm Aaron, and this is Mike. And we're proud to announce to you Stone Tether. We spent 3 years researching and perfecting this wireless tracking device that not only provides the ability to track and find lost items, but also gives you a smart tether system that can help warn you before items are lost, including kids or pets.
I bet you're wondering what this item looks like in action. So first of all, let's show you how to find items with Stone Tether.
If you happen to lose your keys, computer, purse, etc. that you have attached a Stone Tether to, you simply use our Stone Tether app and it will show you the location of the item and how far it is away from you. Now, what if your item is obscured from view? Well, you can even track your item using sound by making the Stone Tether audible and causing it to chime. Let's say you're at a busy place like a shopping mall or even an amusement park. Oftentimes with children, it is stressful to keep track of them in these situations. If you're like myself, you may have had them stray to a point in which you go into complete panic mode. In these cases, simply slip a Stone Tether device in their pocket or attach it to their belt loop, and anytime they go beyond your set tethered distance, you get a notification of this on your smartphone. You can set the distance all the way up to 500 feet. Have you ever forgot to bring something on a trip, let's say a piece of luggage, or maybe a computer? To prevent this from happening, use our application to smart tether an item to an event on your calendar. Our app will intelligently check to see if your luggage, computer, or anything else you tagged as a necessity are within your possession. If not, your iOS or Android phone will alert you to the missing items before you make it past the driveway. Even though Stone Tether has a great range all the way up to 500 feet, this can be dramatically increased by other Stone Tether users. Now, if anyone with a connected Stone Tether device comes within range of an item you marked as lost, you will receive an immediate notification providing the location of the item. Now, what happens if Stone Tether is left in a pocket and it goes through the wash? Stone Tether is water resistant up to 30 feet and can take a wash without a problem. So take it to the pool, water park, or the beach without a worry. Thank you for watching our video about Stone Tether.
We hope you're as excited about the device as we are. We need your help in making Stone Tether a reality.
So we are seeking backing through pre-orders on Kickstarter, and we do have several options available. We thank you in advance.
1.
Introducing the biggest breakthrough in Wi-Fi in 15 years. With access to triple the spectrum, enabling up to 300 times faster performance than the typical consumer router. 10 state-of-the-art internal radios, active MIMO beamforming, and 9 powerful antennas for amazing range and coverage. All without compromising design and style.
Portal is, we believe, the fastest, strongest Wi-Fi. It's able to adapt to changing environments, able to adapt to congestion and traffic, something that you'd never had to manage because it was smart enough to manage itself.
You'll get faster Wi-Fi no matter what the condition is. You'll get a much more reliable connection.
Imagine, if you will, a 6-lane freeway, but for the last 15 years, everybody's really only driven on 1 lane, or maybe 2 if you're lucky. You ask yourself, why are these 4 lanes not being used? Well, we've solved that problem. Portal uses all of those lanes, and it does it intelligently. We can change lanes predictably to avoid interference and to avoid traffic.
A big part of the Wi-Fi spectrum actually is reserved for radar. Wi-Fi is allowed to share on it, but to share it, you have to make sure radar is not present, and that's a very delicate and very highly regulated environment. We've received certification for doing that. The way we achieve that is we've been working with the FCC for quite some time. All of our products are now authorized to work within those radar bands. So one of the key applications we developed Portal for was gaming. What we wanted to do is create some special channels that offered both high bandwidth and very low latency. And we control the access to those channels so that if we know you're gaming and we can detect that automatically, we'll give you the best gaming experience possible. We're looking to build a community of people who are serious about improving Wi-Fi and want to work with us on development of the product. Our goal is to make it a platform so that as Wi-Fi grows and develops into different areas, that we're one of the first guys who can support that. But we need your help and support to do that.
There's no other router in the world that can do what we do.
This is the solution. Please help us fund our Kickstarter. We think we can change Wi-Fi forever.